New Google Flow update is insane. You are wasting hours trying to make AI videos look consistent. You write the perfect prompt, you run it, and the output looks nothing like what you imagined. You try again and again. Each attempt eats up your credits. You are not doing it wrong. The tool just didn't have what it needed. Google just changed that completely. And if you are sleeping on this update, you are missing one of the biggest creative upgrades in AI right now. Hey, I'm Hada. I break down AI tools so you actually know how to use them, not just what they are. And today, we are talking about the new Google Flow update, because this one completely changes the way you create images and videos with AI. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it and why this new workflow saves you so much time. Stay with me, because there is a specific feature coming up that makes everything click. Let's start with the basics. Google Flow is Google's AI creative studio. It lives at labs.google/flow, and it used to be mostly focused on video generation. You typed a prompt, you got a video. That was basically it. With this update, Flow is now a full creative hub. Images, videos, and storytelling all in one place, all connected. Tools like Whisk and ImageFX, which were separate experiments, are now being folded directly into Flow. Let me walk you through what is actually new. The first big change is Nano Banana. This is Google's image generation model, and it is now fully built into the core Flow experience. Image generation inside Flow using Nano Banana is free. You can generate and refine as many images as you want without using any credits at all. And on February 26th, Google launched Nano Banana 2. This is a faster version that still produces high-quality images. It handles resolutions from 512 pixels up to 4K, supports different aspect ratios, and can maintain character consistency for up to 5 characters and 14 objects in a single workflow. So, if you are building a series or any kind of visual content that needs to stay consistent, this handles that for you. Every image it generates includes a SynthID Watermark, which is Google's label for AI-generated content. When I first started using tools like Flow, I was honestly overwhelmed. There are so many features, so many models, so many workflows. And figuring out which ones actually save you time versus which ones just eat up your credits was a process. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Okay, so this is the part that changes everything. Here is the problem most people hit with AI video generation. You spend 10 minutes crafting a detailed text prompt. You generate, and it still does not match what you had in your head. The lighting is off, the character looks different. So you rewrite it, run it again, burn more credits, more time gone. The new workflow solves this. Instead of starting with a text prompt for your video, you start with images. You use Nano Banana to generate images that match your vision. You refine them for free until they look exactly right. Then you feed those images into VO3.1 as ingredients. VO uses them to anchor the video. The color palette, character design, perspective, and overall look all carry over into the final video. This is called ingredients to video, less guesswork, more control. You are doing your art direction in images first before you ever hit generate on a video. VO3.1 has improved audio. It can handle richer dialogue, ambient sound, and synchronized sound effects. The audio generates contextually based on what is happening in the scene. VO3.1 also now supports native vertical video output, so you can create content formatted for YouTube Shorts directly without any cropping. And you can upscale to 1080p or 4K depending on your plan, which I will cover in a minute. The interface got a major overhaul too. The biggest change is the new asset grid. Think of it as your project library. All your generated images and videos live here. You can search them, filter them, sort them, and group them into collections by scene or concept. When you are deep in a project with dozens of assets, this is what keeps you organized. Editing tools got better as well. You can extend a clip's length, add or remove objects from videos, and control camera movement. There is also a Lasso tool for local image editing. You draw around a specific area, type a prompt like remove the man in the background, and it changes just that area without touching the rest of the image. Targeted fixes instead of starting over every time. Now let's talk pricing. The free tier gets you 100 credits on sign up plus 50 more every day. That includes Nano Banana Pro for images, VO 3.1, text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, video extension, insert and remove object, scene builder, and 2K image upscaling. That is a solid free offering. Google AI Pro is $19.99 per month. That bumps you to 1,000 monthly credits, 1080p upscaling, higher image limits, and the option to buy top-up credits. It also includes Gemini with Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini in Gmail and Docs, and 2 terabytes of storage. Google AI Ultra is $249.99 per month, currently on a promotional price of $124.99 for the first 3 months. That gives you 25,000 monthly credits and 4K image and video upscaling, plus YouTube Premium and 30 terabytes of storage. If 4K output matters to you, this is the plan you need. A few practical things to get better results from this workflow. When you are building your ingredient images, mix elements from different generations. A character from one image, a background from another, an object from a third. VO can combine them into a single cohesive scene. Keep your video text prompt short when you are using ingredients. The images are already doing the heavy lifting visually. Your prompt just needs to describe the action and atmosphere. Something like a woman walks slowly through a foggy alley, cinematic lighting, slow push in. The images handle the look, the prompt handles the movement. And sort your asset grid from the start. Group things by scene as you generate. It is much easier to stay on top of it as you go than to untangle 50 thumbnails later. Worth a quick mention. Google was sued over the Flow branding, with reported trademark issues related to the name in the context of AI filmmaking software. Flow is still fully operational and rolling out globally, but it is something happening in the background as the platform develops. With this update, Google is clearly positioning Flow as their main creative AI platform, not just a side experiment. Everything is connected now. Images feed into videos. Your whole project lives in one organized workspace. That is the shift worth paying attention to. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out, and if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll catch you in the next one.